deepwater environments, high rig costs drive the imperative need for reduced trips in hole. The Weatherford trip completion system sets a new precedent in completion installations. With the flexibility of conventional technology, the system enables you to install the upper and lower completion in a single trip. The system combines our cutting-edge RFID technology and premium completions offerings into a game-changing deepwater solution. Weatherford is the industry's sole provider of downhole tools activated by radio frequency identification, or RFID technology. The TRIP system incorporates RFID completion tools with a decade of successful activations. Integrating RFID in the TRIP system enables true multi-cycle tool functionality throughout the completion string. This capability lets you test the completion at key stages during installation and reduces deployment risks compared to a conventional system. Remote operation frees your completion from the complications of control lines, intervention, and wash pipe. Interventionless operation enhances safety, improves predictability, increases efficiency, and enables in-well surveillance and control options. With remote and intervention-free operation, the system can reduce completion installation times by as much as 40%. The TRIP system includes several performance-enhancing technologies in the lower completion. At the toe, the low operating pressure turbine reamer facilitates running the completion to TD without encroaching upon the operations of the other TRIP completion components. The OptiBarrier RFID ball valve, featuring an API-rated bubble-tight barrier, temporarily isolates the reservoir, which helps you to confirm completion liner integrity at key points. Sand face completion inflow control devices, or ICDs, help you to control sand and to manage the flow of fluid to or from the reservoir. A second OptiBarrier RFID ball valve placed in the completion acts as a deep-set barrier that eliminates running an intermediate completion and allows remote well suspension for batch startup situations. Before entering the open hole section, RFID tags are pumped downhole to close the lower OptiBarrier ball valve for testing the completion. Applying pressure cycles reopens the valve. The TRIP system includes equally notable components in the upper completion. The OptiROS RFID production sliding sleeve is remotely operated to enable placing annular fluids, while the ICE packer acts as a barrier that diverts fluids from flowing into the open hole section. The OptiPacker production packer, also operated by RFID technology, provides a V0 rated gas-tight seal. The OptiMax safety valve enables you to shut in the well with the gas-tight seal if equipment failure or damage causes uncontrolled flow. The valve is backed by the highest reliability record in the industry. In the cased hold section, RFID tags are dropped and circulated to close the upper RFID OptiBarrier ball valve. This confirms liner integrity again and minimizes the associated deployment risks. The safety valve can be independently tested from below before setting the production packer. Pressure cycles reopen the upper OptiBarrier ball valve when testing is finished. After landing the TRIP system at the desired depth and displacing the well with clean fluid, RFID technology closes the OptiBarrier ball valve at the toe, and the entire completion is pressure tested without wash pipe for integrity assurance. A series of pressure pulses opens the RFID OptiROS sleeve, mud is cleared out, and clean completion fluid is circulated into the annulus. The production packer is set and tested, and the well barrier is tested before suspending the well. To bring the well online, remote actuation opens the barrier within the TRIP system. No vessel or intervention is needed. Pressure cycles enable opening one sleeve at a time at a tailored delay, from the toe to the heel, for a staged cleanup. By comparison, conventional completions open all sleeves at once. Optional multi-cycle sleeves provide the opportunity for valuable well test data on discrete reservoir sections before completion. By leveraging our reliable RFID technology and premium completion offerings, the TRIP system realizes the industry's vision for cost-effective and reduced trip completion installations.